I look into the mirror now, a stranger staring back somehow. The days move on, the years move fast. I'm still chasing yesterday's past. Tell me, where did I lose my life? Where did my smile go? I don't even know. Somewhere down this road, I let my heart grow cold. Where did my smile go? Can somebody show? I'm still holding on, trying to stay strong. The sun still rises every day, but joy feels so far away. Still I breathe, still I stand, with hope inside these empty hands. Where did my smile go? I don't even know. Somewhere down this road, I let my heart grow cold. Where did my smile go? Can somebody show? I'm still holding on, trying to stay strong. Maybe tomorrow I'll smile once more.
Morning comes, I face the day. Still got bills I have to pay. Working hard with all I have. Still feels like it's not enough. Every step feels so slow. Heavy heart, empty hands, trying hard to understand. Give it all that I can give, still just learning how to live. Heavy heart, empty hands, standing where I always stand. But I know deep inside, hope is still alive. Dreams don't fade, they just wait. Even when the road gets late, I may bend, but I won't break. There's still one more chance to take. Heavy heart, empty hands, trying hard to understand. Give it all that I can give, still just learning how to live. Heavy heart, empty hands, standing where I always stand. But I know deep inside, hope is still alive. one more try. I'll keep walking through this life. Heavy heart, empty hand, trying hard to understand. Give it all that I can give, still just learning how to live. Heavy heart, empty hands, standing where I always stand. But I know deep inside, hope is still alive. Hope is still alive. Hope is still alive. When the world is fast asleep, I tell the stars the things I keep. Every dream I couldn't hold, every story left untold. Maybe the sky still hears my prayer. I still talk to the sky, looking for a reason why. Every tear I couldn't hide floats away into the night. I still talk to the sky with hope inside my eyes. Maybe one bright day everything will be okay. The wind whispers through the trees, bringing little peace to me. Though I'm walking on alone, fate still leads my weary soul. I still talk to the sky, looking for a reason why. Every tear I couldn't hide floats away into the night. I still talk to the sky with hope inside my eyes. Maybe one bright day everything will be okay. Good night, sky, stay with me. Tomorrow brings a new belief. still I found another way. Every step may take some time, but I'm still chasing peace of mind. The morning light still calls my name. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Maybe the rain won't last forever. I'll keep believing, I'll keep the fire, lifting my soul a little higher. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Holding my dreams together. One more sunrise, one more chance. I'll keep moving while I can. Every road has led me here, through the doubt and through the fear. If my heart can beat today, hope will never fade away. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Maybe the rain won't last forever. I'll keep believing, I'll keep the fire, lifting my soul a little higher. Maybe tomorrow will be better. Holding my dreams together. One more sunrise, one more chance. I'll keep moving while I can. Tomorrow waits, I'll be there with hope to share. I've walked through storms I never knew, still found the strength to make it through. Life changed me in so many ways, but not my heart, not my faith. I know my soul still shines inside. I refuse to lose myself through the pain and through the doubt. I refuse to lose myself. That's what this life's about. I refuse to lose myself, no matter where I go. I'll stand tall, I'll stand proud, and let my spirit grow. Every scar became a sign,
still standing, still I'm free. Still becoming who I'll be. I refuse to lose myself. Through the pain and through the doubt, I refuse to lose myself. That's what this life's about.